Daphne, your smart shopper. So today's Friday Simple Saving Hacks is all about getting your stainless steel appliances and items nice and shiny without breaking the bank. So all you simply need is some olive oil and a sponge and some paper towels and a rag. That's simple. So what you need to do first is clean your appliance. Now I would first, depending on the stainless steel that you have, it doesn't always work on certain types, I've noticed, of refrigerators. So what I would start doing is I would do it on maybe a small section of your refrigerator, maybe start on a trash can or something that you know you're not going to be too heartbroken if it doesn't give it shine through. So you scrub it down so it's clean, it takes off all the things, all your streaks and things like that. And then you want to dry it off. Okay, it's not shiny, but the olive oil is what's going to put a little bit of shine on this trash can, making it look brand new. So your trash will look good when it goes in. So then you want to take a little bit of olive oil, and I use these micro cloths because everything goes really nice. It won't scratch it, nice and smooth. Put this on there. Okay, and then you want to wipe it on there. Now go with the grain of the item. So right here on the lid, you can see it's circular. So I'm wiping the olive oil on in a circular direction. Right here, it's a little bit hard to tell how the grain is, but it's horizontal. So I'm gonna go sideways, well, basically in a circle all the way around. So that's what you wanna do, is go in the grain of that. Do that real quick, one more time. So it's really got a lot of olive oil on it, so it's kind of slippery. So what you wanna do is you wanna take the excess olive oil off and just use a paper towel to do that. And again, wipe it off in the grain. So look at how shiny that is now. Wow. And then wipe it off that way. So you're just wiping off the excess olive oil on here, just like that. So check it out. It's all shiny, and it's done with the things that you have at home, so you don't have to go out and get, you know, stainless steel cleaner. So we'll try it really quick. I'll just do it on this side of my refrigerator, which is kind of dirty. So I'm gonna wipe it down with the sponge, clean it, blah, blah, blah. I'm doing this really fast for the sake of the time. I don't want to waste your time. And then I'm going to dry off the excess water, just like this. So, you know, you get any extra spots, or if there's stuff, you know, from your hands that you got on the refrigerator. And then you want to do the same thing. Take the rag, put a little bit of olive oil on it. Okay, and then again, you want to go with the grain of the appliance or the item that you're cleaning. So this one is horizontal, so I'm going horizontal. Look at that. So it actually took these streaks out, because you see right here, you see that? Now watch when I do the olive oil, it goes away. Look at that. So it's nice and shiny. It's a little bit hard to get into over here. I'll wipe that down. So look at that. Now I'm going to take the excess off. And look at that, it looks brand new. So there you go. That is my simple savings hacks for the weekend. And as always, I appreciate your time. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper. One last thing, if you head to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com, I'll have all the instructions. Bye.